Replacement Windows Metairie, Louisiana, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Metairie window installation experts provide top-notch services, ensuring that every window fits perfectly and functions optimally. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom windows, Metairie has a range of options to suit your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Metairie are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are crafted to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient windows Metairie are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to save on utility bills. Vinyl windows Metairie offer durability and low maintenance, making them a popular choice among homeowners. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Vinyl windows are available in various styles to match any home design. Window repair services in Metairie are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Metairie window repair services include fixing broken glass, repairing window frames, and addressing any issues with window hardware. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Custom windows Metairie provide a unique touch to any home, allowing homeowners to express their personal style. Whether you prefer bay windows, double-hung windows, or sliding windows, custom options are available to meet your specific requirements. Custom windows can enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. Double-hung windows Metairie are a classic choice for many homeowners, offering versatility and ease of use. These windows allow for easy cleaning and provide excellent ventilation. Double-hung windows are available in various materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Replacement windows Metairie services are ideal for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Replacement windows Metairie can improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase the overall value of your home. Professional window contractors in Metairie ensure a seamless installation process. Bay windows Metairie add elegance and space to any room, creating a cozy nook for relaxation. These windows extend outward, providing additional seating or storage space. Bay windows are a beautiful addition to any home, offering panoramic views and increased natural light. Window contractors Metairie are skilled professionals who specialize in all aspects of window installation and repair. They offer expert advice on the best window styles and materials for your home. Hiring experienced window contractors ensures high-quality workmanship and long-lasting results. Metairie window glass repair services are essential for maintaining the clarity and safety of your windows. Whether dealing with a small crack or a shattered pane, prompt window glass repair can prevent further damage and improve the appearance of your home. Sliding windows Metairie are a practical choice for homeowners seeking easy operation and a modern look. These windows glide smoothly along a track, providing unobstructed views and excellent ventilation. Sliding windows are ideal for areas with limited space. Window frame repair Metairie is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Damaged frames can lead to drafts, water leaks, and decreased energy efficiency. Professional window frame repair services ensure your windows remain secure and functional. Storm windows Metairie offer additional protection against harsh weather conditions, reducing noise and improving energy efficiency. These windows are installed over existing windows, providing an extra layer of insulation and security. Storm windows are a wise investment for any Metairie homeowner. Replacement windows Metairie can transform the look and performance of your windows. Upgrades may include new window styles, improved insulation, or advanced window hardware. Investing in window upgrades can enhance your home's comfort and value. Home window services Metairie encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation and repair to maintenance and upgrades. These services ensure your windows remain in top condition, providing comfort, security, and energy efficiency for your home. Window maintenance Metairie is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and preventing costly repairs. Regular maintenance includes cleaning, sealing, and inspecting windows for any signs of damage. Proper window maintenance can improve energy efficiency and enhance your home's appearance. Window sealing Metairie is a critical step in preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Proper sealing ensures that windows are airtight, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. Professional window sealing services can help you achieve optimal insulation. Window insulation Metairie is vital for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and reducing energy costs. Insulated windows prevent heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Investing in window insulation can lead to significant energy savings. Window styles Metairie offer a variety of options to suit any home design. From traditional to contemporary, there are window styles to match every aesthetic preference. Choosing the right window style can enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality. Window hardware Metairie includes a range of components that ensure the smooth operation and security of your windows. Quality hardware is essential for the longevity and performance of your windows. Upgrading window hardware can improve both functionality and appearance.